Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. In this video, we're going to show you how to properly unbox the 55-inch version of Samsung's new Q70D series QLED TV. This is in the middle of the lineup between the 60 and the 80. This is, again, the 55-inch. They do make different sizes, so make sure you look at the instructions that come with your particular size. But for this video, we're going to focus on the 55-inch, so stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, we're going to cut through the tape on this box. Now, on the larger sizes, there will usually be a couple of nylon straps on the 55-inch because it's a little bit smaller. They just tape the box open, and then from there, we're gonna open up the top and remove the accessories. Next, we're just going to remove the styrofoam piece from the top. And then we're going to rip the box right here and tear down these perforations on both sides. And now with the back piece kind of folded down, with the help of a friend, you're going to lift the TV out of the box. Now, I will say on the 55-inch version, they don't have handholds cut out on the bottom of the styrofoam. So you have to find a couple spots to grip on the back of the TV. So just be really careful while you're doing this. And then we'll flip it around here. I'm gonna kick the box out of the way. And then you're just gonna lay it face down as I knock over the box. And just be real careful when you're laying it down. It's not a very heavy TV, but it is a little awkward to move. And from here, we're going to install the pedestal. So now we're going to install the pedestal. It's a pretty simple process. It comes with 4 M4 by L14 screws here. So we're gonna use 2 of those, and the right pedestal leg, which is the right one as you're looking at the back of the TV, is going to have an R printed on the back of it. And then the TV is also going to have an R. So it's very easy to get this done. There's a little notch up here at the top and a cutout at the top and a little notch on the pedestal foot. That is just going to slide in there, and then you can lower that down into place and grab a Phillips screwdriver, and you're gonna put these 2 in. And then we're gonna wind up doing the same thing on the other side. Now the other side obviously will have an L on the TV and an L on the foot of the pedestal. All right, now that we have the 2 feet attached with the help of a friend, we're just going to lift this up and turn it around because there is one more piece that we're going to put on the bottom here. And finally, we're just going to take this additional plastic piece here, and you can see the shape of it. These have 2 cutouts at the top. That part's going to go in towards the TV, and you just sort of fit these 2 grooves on the back over the feet, and then you're going to slide it back until it clicks into place. And just like that. So now the pedestal is all set, and from here all we have to do is remove the rest of the packing material and plug the TV in. All right, so we've got the TV all unboxed, we've got the pedestal installed, and we've got some content up here to show off the beautiful picture on this, and I truly mean that. This is a really nice looking picture for sort of that middle of the road TV that isn't necessarily gonna cost an arm and a leg, but isn't considered a cheap TV. This is doing a really great job. We're gonna talk about all that in our full overview video on it, and we're going to be doing a comparison between this, the 60 and the 80, so make sure you stay tuned for those videos coming up. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.